Honorable Chair, esteemed delegates, Thymon is not a race. It is a place to come. Oh God. Can we start over?
Perhaps please come to order.
Thymon is not a race. It is a place to communicate at one's own pace. Africa is the topic at hand, so we must not forget this beautiful land. To solve the problems is the task, so let's hope many resolutions will be passed. To help relieve hunger, violence, and oppression, we must overcome all objections. Niger is here to leave its mark, and hopes all will follow as we embark on this long and fulfilling adventure. Let us not get caught up in the lecture. Thus concludes Niger's opening speech. Let's hope these resolutions bring us lasting peace. Thank you.